Fractions can be one of the trickiest topics for adult learners, but with the right tools and relatable examples, they can master this essential skill with confidence. In this video, you'll learn 7 practical strategies to make fractions clear and useful for your students, from concrete visuals and real-life connections to step-by-step operations and simple estimation tips. Conquering Fractions 7. Practical strategies for helping adult ed students in the math class. 1. Start with concrete visuals. Use physical objects like fraction bars, circles, or even food items, like dividing a pizza, to represent fractions. Let learners physically manipulate these to understand parts of a whole. This makes the abstract idea of a fraction real. 2. Connect to real-world contexts. Always introduce fractions within familiar situations. Talk about cooking recipes, measuring tools, sharing food, or understanding discounts during sales. This shows immediate relevance to their lives. 3. Emphasize equivalence visually. Use fraction models to show that different fractions can represent the same amount. Example, 1/2 is the same as 2/4. This foundational understanding is key before addition or subtraction. Help learners draw these equivalences themselves. 4. Practice all 4 operations step by step. Break down adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions into clear, simple steps. Focus on one operation at a time, with plenty of guided practice. This prevents overwhelm. 5. Relate fractions to decimals and percentages. Show how fractions are simply another way to represent parts of a whole, just like decimals and percentages. Use a number line to illustrate these connections. This builds a more complete understanding of number relationships. 6. Use story problems with clear scenarios. Present word problems that require fractions in relatable situations. Guide learners to identify the parts of the problem and choose the correct operation. This applies their skills to practical challenges. 7. Encourage estimation. Before calculating exact answers, ask learners to estimate the fraction's value or the result of an operation. This builds number sense and helps them check if their final answer is reasonable. This reduces anxiety about getting the perfect answer immediately. Mastering fractions empowers adult students to confidently handle everyday math and prepares them for more advanced topics. These practical strategies help learners build a solid foundation and overcome common difficulties with fractions. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.